Need to replace your Dodge Ram key fob battery? This video covers the simple DIY process for 1999-2005 models. Save money and avoid dealership fees by doing it yourself. We'll focus on battery type, tools, and the step-by-step method. These fobs lack smart features, so it is a simple process. The key fob for 1999-2005 Dodge Ram trucks uses a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This specific battery type is essential for reliable operation and long-term performance. Using the correct CR2032 battery ensures proper function and prevents issues like rapid drain or malfunction. The battery specifications include 3 volts and lithium chemistry for stability. While generic batteries are available, brands like Energizer and Duracell offer better performance and longer shelf life. These premium options provide consistent voltage and reduce the risk of premature failure. Avoid cheaper alternatives as they often fail within months due to inferior quality. Always check for proper polarity when installing, with the positive side facing up. You'll only need a couple of basic tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. The pry tool is preferable to prevent scratches on the fob casing. No soldering is required for this battery replacement. First, locate the keyring slot. Insert a key or small screwdriver into the slot and gently pry the fob halves apart. Work your way around the seam, being careful not to force it. The fob should separate easily with a bit of persuasion. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Pay attention to the polarity, with the positive side facing up. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Make sure the battery sits securely in its compartment. Begin by aligning the fob halves carefully, making sure the buttons and ridges match up perfectly. Gently snap the two halves back together, applying even pressure to both sides. Verify that the casing is completely closed with no visible gaps or loose parts. Now test the fob by pressing the buttons while standing within 10 feet of your Dodge Ram vehicle. The doors should lock and unlock immediately as expected when the buttons are pressed. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, here are the most common issues and solutions. First, double-check that the battery is inserted with the correct polarity. The positive side should face up in the fob. Second, make sure you're using a new, fully charged CR2032 battery. Old or weak batteries can cause unreliable operation. Third, prevent static electricity damage by wearing gloves during the replacement process. Static can fry the fob's electronics. Finally, if the fob still doesn't work, the issue may be with the transmitter or receiver in your truck, not the fob itself. DIY battery replacement saves you 70 to 80% compared to dealership service, making it a cost-effective solution for maintaining your 1999 to 2005 Dodge Ram key fob. While newer vehicles are adopting advanced keyless systems, this simple battery replacement keeps your older Dodge Ram functional and reliable. For added features, consider aftermarket options like LED upgrades, but always handle the circuit with precision to avoid damage.